As 911 received a call from this number, can you please fire medical?
I'm sorry?
This is 911. Received a call from this number. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
I'm here at the Greyhound station, and I have a gun, and I'm feeling crazy in my backpack.
Okay, what is your name?
My name's Brad.
All right, cat. All right. And where are you? Are you in the station? You're outside the station?
I'm outside the station.
And it's Doug, you said?
Huh?
You said your name is Doug?
My name is Brad.
Bob? Okay. Bob, what's your last name?
When the officers arrived, they were confronted by the man in the street. They directed him to show his hands.
Hey, get the hand, get it out. I have a gun. Get it out. I have a gun. Get your hand out of your backpack. I have a gun. Hey, put the gun down, dude. Get your hand out of your backpack. Hey, put the gun down, dude.